Hello and welcome. Today we're actually going to address the inside of the car. First of all, what we're going to do, we're going to go for a bit of a deeper clean. We're going to remove the rear seat and see what's actually lying under there. Be good if there was any money, but I doubt that. Let's have a little look. Right, so we're going to remove this seat. Should be a yank up. Got to take these seat belts up. Actually, it's not looking too bad under there. Where's this? Might even be part of the build sheet. Gotta take this out.
Oh wow.
Oh wow, there is actually a little bit of money under
You wanted
here.
money?
Oh, there is money. Alright, but I don't want to touch stuff. I'm going to hoover up and... So that's all hoovered up, all the little sweets, everything, and there was actually about $4.50, something like that, but it's old money. We'll see if we can change it up. Every little helps. Okay, so moving on from the last clip, the weather's taken a slight change, but what we're going to do, we're going to take the seats out. We've unplugged the battery because it's got airbag sensors and stuff underneath it, so that's done. Just going to unplug it and then start taking the seats out. So we're going to use a Torx T50 to remove the seats now. To the seat for some reason. I don't know, it might be most modern cars nowadays, but that should be out now. That is out. That's it, so we've got the seats out now. The method to the madness today is going to be do the door panels, work from the top down. Surprisingly, the roof lining is clean, so we're not really going to do anything with that. We don't want no sagging problems or anything, so going to work top down, clean it all up, do them, clean the seats outside, put them back in, and then put a little heater in it to dry it out, see how we get on. So this is what this door panel is looking like now. Need to get a new handle for it. Don't know what the hell happened to that. Don't know if some dog chewed on it or what. But as you can see, it's looking a lot cleaner. It was in a similar state to that one. This one's getting here. I will actually walk around and show that one. If you can see all the ground in dirt and everything. So at the moment we're just cleaning this area, a bit of a brush and APC. It's going to take a little bit of time. But just to show you, right, you're going to go from that to that. But once the whole lot's done, I'll come back and I'll show you how we'll get everything here looking like that patch there. the inside's looking like now of this door panel. It's quite bad earlier. That unfortunately is cigarette burn. But as you can see, top is a lot better. I've just got to get this little corner here now, but I've got to go and get a thinner brush for that. But we're going to go over the whole car at the end of it. Okay, so door panels have all been done. We're going to go over these parts with a wet vac as well. So that's all the door panels are done, all the inside. Next we're going to work on this. Well, actually we're going to hoover it out. All the tops are done. Hoover it out. Start wet vacing this. Move on, wet vac that. Put a little heater in here. And while that's getting done and dried with the heater and everything, we're going to move on to these. Gonna put a bit of interior shampoo over. A little bit on the brush as well, and then just massage it, helping it foam up to bring all the dirt out of the fabric, and then we're going to go over it with a wet vac. So this has got absolutely years and years worth of ground in dirt. We're going to give it a quick scrub and then wet vac it out, see how we can get on. This oil, I don't know if it was a mechanic or what that owned it before, but I'm going to start with the scrubbing now. So there is one or two little stains still, but it is actually looking a lot better. But remember, it was all grease and oil and stuff like that, and the weather ain't the best of days. Still got that one stain there, can't get out. We're going to work on it a little bit more, but everything else has come out. Hopefully we'll get that out and come back to it. I'm going to start on the seats next. And the same with the seats. First of all, we're going to start off with scrubbing them. And after it's been scrubbed, wet vac it. So better start that before the day goes. So this is it after. Still needs a bit of drying to do. But in comparison, this ain't half as bad as what the front one was, and that is the rear one. So, bit of a difference. Alright, so that's the seat back in. Still a little bit damp, as you can see in the centre and stuff, but it is actually starting to look a lot cleaner. So about to start working on this. I'll do this side and then we'll have a little look at it. As you can see, this part's awful, so let's see how it compares in 2 minutes. There is a little mark there, but that's super glue or something, which is not really coming out. But we have gone from that to that, so massive improvement. So for today we're going to have to stop, but inside's actually looking a lot better now. That's that one. That's that one. Got the heating on, just got to reset the airbag light, and then that was it for now.